This Adanalian and Vasquez Real Estate property video is presented by Aaron Vasquez. Opportunity awaits for the new owner of this spacious, 3-bedroom 1-bath home with low-maintenance yard. Offering 3 spacious bedrooms with large closets. Good-size kitchen with abundant cabinetry, and spacious counters. This would be a great opportunity to build upon your rental portfolio, or ideal for the first-time buyer with a little sweat equity. For more information, review the details below or contact Aaron Vasquez at 559-284-4412.